Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News. I'm your host today. Imagine you're driving a car, and after just 3.5 years, it's already clocked an astonishing 666,255 kilometers. That's more than double the average car's mileage in the same timeframe. This Hyundai Ioniq 5 has been put to the ultimate test, and the results are nothing short of remarkable. The owner of this incredible vehicle has been driving it non-stop, averaging around 541 kilometers per day. Now, you might be thinking, how can a battery last that long? Well, the original high-voltage battery on this Ioniq 5 lasted an impressive 580,000 kilometers before it needed to be replaced. But what's even more astonishing is that Hyundai replaced it for free, possibly to analyze its state after such extreme use or as a goodwill gesture. But how did the battery manage to last so long? It's worth noting that this vehicle was charged mostly using fast chargers and regularly topped off to 100% habits that normally minimize battery life. Despite these conditions, the battery still held an incredible 87% health when it needed replacement. That's a testament to the durability of electric cars. Of course, no car is immune to maintenance issues. The Ioniq 5 required normal maintenance like differential oil and brake fluid changes, just like any other vehicle. But there was one hiccup, a malfunction in the integrated charging control unit, which affected AC charging performance. Luckily, the car continued to function just fine through DC fast charging. The most remarkable thing about this journey is that the car only experienced limp mode once throughout its entire usage. That's an impressive record of reliability and endurance. This case presents strong evidence for the viability of electric cars as long-term transport solutions. As we continue to explore the world of sustainable transportation, stories like this are a breath of fresh air. They prove that EVs can be reliable, efficient, and durable, even under heavy use. At Electro Drive News, we're committed to bringing you the latest news and updates on electric vehicles. So, if you're considering an EV for your next purchase, or simply want to stay up to date on the latest developments in sustainable transportation, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. We'll keep you informed about the latest EVs, trends, and innovations in the industry. Thanks for watching Electro Drive News.